The latest version of 3i Atlas has just been updated. There's no wobble, no drift, and no detectable non-gravitational acceleration, NGA, despite the vigorous activity. It maintains a flawless, steady path, even amid intense outgassing. This interstellar visitor commands attention, as if deliberately challenging the world to notice its presence. Could it be sending out a decoy, delivering the strongest evidence yet of an alien origin? This truly is the moment humanity has been waiting for. Ever since the mysterious interstellar object 3i Atlas appeared, the very foundations of space physics have been thrown into question. Just a few days ago, Professor Avi Loeb, one of the most prominent voices in modern astrophysics, released a new paper that reignited the debate and added fresh fuel to the fire. From May 15th through September 23rd, Loeb and his talented colleagues, Richard Cloete and Peter Veers, meticulously tracked the movement of 3i Atlas. 4,022 observations carefully gathered and analysed, building one of the most detailed motion profiles of any interstellar object to date. 3i Atlas travels on an almost perfectly steady trajectory, showing virtually no noticeable NGA. The tiny extra push detected, just over 15 meters per day squared. It is shockingly small compared to normal comets, which usually experience significant course changes from outgassing. Scientists also identified 3i Atlas as truly a giant. At least 33 billion tons, meaning a core size of over 5 kilometers across.
The object needs to be more massive than that, 33 billion tons, so that it will not be pushed back by the level of evaporation that was measured for it. And that means if you translate that for solid density, you end up with a size that must be larger than 5 kilometers.
Loeb's team has effectively shown that 3i Atlas behaves unlike any typical comet or previously observed interstellar object. Despite shedding material, its orbit remains remarkably stable, showing almost no change from outgassing forces. Either its immense mass neutralizes the effects of escaping gas, or some other mechanism, even artificial, is keeping its trajectory unnaturally precise. So interesting. If 3i Atlas is slowly revealing more of its true nature over time, then what we know about the two interstellar visitors that came before it feels almost painfully limited. The first interstellar visitor, Oumuamua, appeared briefly in 2017, already retreating from the Sun, leaving scientists with only fleeting glimpses of its mysterious form, possibly a narrow, cigar-shaped object 100 meters long. Its behavior was baffling. It accelerated at an extraordinary rate of 37,400 kilometers per day, without any visible outgassing or cometary activity, sparking speculation about a possible artificial origin. 2 years later, Borisov arrived, and things felt a little more straightforward. Actively shedding gas and dust, its dark nucleus measured about 0.975 kilometers, and its non-gravitational acceleration of 150 kilometers per day matched expectations for a typical comet. Whatever the explanation, this measurement has transformed 3i Atlas from a strange interstellar rock into one of the most compelling mysteries of modern astronomy, and possibly the strongest candidate yet for evidence of extraterrestrial technology. On July 1st, 2025, under the lens of the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System telescope, 3i Atlas proved itself as a hyperbolic interstellar traveler moving at a staggering 61 kilometers per second, nearly twice as fast as previous visitors Oumuamua and Borisov. Its speed will climb to 87 kilometers per second near the Sun before gradually slowing as it prepares to leave the solar system forever. One thing is certain: 3 I-Atlas will never return. It seems to choose its path, like a silent traveler watching from afar. What makes it so extraordinary is its near-perfect trajectory. Eccentricity 6.14, inclination 5 degrees, aligned almost exactly with the plane of the planets, as though following a cosmic flight plan. It's astonishing. A thing would happen randomly only once in every 500 tries. Its immense mass, paired with nearly zero non-gravitational acceleration, makes it feel guided, almost controlled. Some scientists speculate it may be a reconnaissance probe, silently transmitting data, perhaps even signaling a mothership, as it streaks past us like a messenger from another era.
The path that it took was designed, it was fine-tuned to come close to planets. That's why it's in the same plane. And the size is much bigger than we expect for a rock, because this is not a rock.
It's strange. It's mysterious. It defies everything we thought we knew. If so, its ultimate purpose might be something extraordinary. Not just to pass by, but to make contact, to visit. Just one day after its official discovery, the Hubble Space Telescope confirmed that 3I Atlas was clearly active, showing a diffuse, reddish coma despite being 6.36 astronomical units from the Sun, far beyond where most comets become wake up. Complementing these findings, infrared data from SphereX detected a bright carbon dioxide coma, partly explaining its unusual brightness and continuous activity in the cold outer solar system. This suggests 3I Atlas may be unusually primitive, preserving unaltered material from its parent star system. Astronomers suggest several explanations for this early active comet. Its surface may be highly reflective, coated with metallic or icy grains that scatter sunlight more efficiently than ordinary comets. Another possibility is strong chemical activity. Sublimation of supervolatile ices like CO and CO2 could generate dust, gas, and glowing emission lines even at great distances. Some propose that electrostatic discharges or solar-wind interactions sustain its luminosity. The boldest idea is that 3I Atlas might have a metallic or even engineered core regulating its outgassing and trajectory. It behaves almost like a cosmic lantern, switching on automatically as it drifts through the pitch-black void of space, as if carrying a guiding light for whoever or whatever sent it. Whether natural or artificial, these theories highlight how extraordinary this object is and how much it could reveal about interstellar phenomena. 3. I-Atlas is not only strange in appearance, but also deeply unpredictable in nature, continually defying what scientists expect from a comet. Observations from the Very Large Telescope on July 20th, 2025 revealed a startling anomaly. The object was releasing nickel vapor, but no iron. In nature, nickel and iron are almost inseparable, emitted together in an approximate 1-to-1 ratio during comet outgassing. Yet in 3I Atlas, one half of that cosmic partnership is missing. Even more puzzling, nickel emissions continued to increase through August 21st, while iron remained absent, suggesting either an extraordinarily selective composition or an active mechanism controlling its outgassing. Such a separation is otherwise seen only in human metallurgy, hinting at something beyond natural processes. This bizarre chemical signature has led some to propose that 3I Atlas may not be a mere comet, but a deliberately engineered probe, silently collecting data and perhaps transmitting it back to a distant sender. The strangeness does not end there. While 3I Atlas has a tail, it is an anti-tail, a rare feature that appears to point in the opposite direction from what is expected. From Earth's perspective, Its stream of dust particles seems to point toward the Sun. As time passes, the object plunges deeper into the solar system, seemingly undergoing a metamorphosis. Its crimson coma has shifted to a glowing green. Scientists detected the color shift tone started in late July, early August, coinciding with the appearance of a prominent anti-tail. Whoever you are, if you've learned of this strange cosmic visitor, circle the date on your calendar. The countdown has begun. On October 3rd, as I mentioned before, 3I Atlas will sweep past Mars at just 0.19 astronomical units, a mere 29 million kilometers away. For a brief moment, the red planet becomes the front row seat to a once-in-history event, with every Mars orbiter turning its gaze toward this colossal traveler. But the real drama builds as it heads toward perihelion on October 29th. By then, the Sun will stand directly between Earth and 3I Atlas, forming a razor-straight line across space. A perfect alignment that feels less like chance and more like choreography. It's as though 3I Atlas is about to disappear behind the blinding spotlight, leaving us holding our breath, waiting to see what or who emerges on the other side. After perihelion, 3I Atlas continues to embark on a series of eerie, near-planetary encounters. It will sweep past Venus on November 3rd, 2025, at 0.65 astronomical units, and glide by Earth on December 19th at 1.80 astronomical units, being a rare opportunity for Earth-based telescopes to study an interstellar comet, post-perihelion. In the next spring, the interstellar visitor will skirt Jupiter on March 16, 2026, at just 0.36 astronomical units. Though still distant, each pass offers a fleeting window to witness this enigmatic traveler up close. A silent, ghostly visitor threading through the planetary dance. Whether hidden beneath that green cloak lies a simple rock or a signal from a distant world harboring intelligence far beyond human understanding, there are still invaluable lessons to be learned.